Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In the last video I have talked about some loop mechanism in Python. So in this video I'm going to talk about more functions and more advanced related things that you can do with for loops in Python. So let's get started. So I'm going to write the code. So this is a variable. You could use any name. So I'm going to use X, you could use S, or this time I'm going to use A. And in range, because we are looking at range, so this is the starting point, this is the ending point. So this time I'm going to start at 50, I'm going to end at 100. So I'm going to print hello. So hello, then we already learned this functionality function. So what I did, I just say hello and A is going to be hello 51, hello 52, hello 53, and so on and so forth. So if I execute the program, and you can see it's inside 99 like I said before, because loops start at 0 and it's begin at 50. So this is the starting point, 51, 52, 53, and so on and so forth. So if you want to, the next things I want to teach you, for example, you can also use like this. Instead of specifying the starting point and the ending point, you have to specify starting point and the ending point. So instead of doing like that, you can just type like 20. So what is going to do, it is by default it is going to start from 0. So I didn't write any code inside the block, so it returns an error for me. So now if I execute the program, it is going to run the loop 20 times including 0. 0 is one value, don't forget that. Okay, and you can see that this, if you don't specify the starting point, it is going to start from 0, but if you specify the starting point, it is going to start at that specified starting point. So I'm going to run this program, and you can see it is going to start at 10. So the next things I want to teach you is step. For example, I'm going to say 2. The 2 is going to be like this, the step by 2, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. For example, this time I'm going to say start at 0 and end at 100, but step by 5, which means now if I execute the program, it is going to start at 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, step by step. So this parentheses, basically remember this one, okay? In range loop like this, for example, you have one variable, and the first one is going to be starting point, the second one is going to be ending point, the last one is going to be step. Okay, so if you specify only as a number, it is going to start at 0 and end at your number. Okay, so this is the basic things you have to learn about loop in Python. So we have used only range in this program. So in the next video I'm going to teach you more functionalities in loop in Python, such as, for example, we have already learned list. So in the next video I'm going to teach you how to loop a list. Basically what we're going to do in the next video, we're going to create a list over here and we're going to loop that list. Okay, I will teach you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.